Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about the importance of expanding offline. Because although we are spending more and more time online, there is a jungle out there called the offline world, actually. So you should not lose sight out of that jungle, even if we have COVID-19 right now. But the point is, you have to balance your online efforts and your offline efforts in a way that they actually interact and they build together your personal brand. So remember, what we are trying to build here is a strong online presence, right? But the bypass product is you create your own personal brand or a signature.
Nice.
Therefore, expanding offline, as there is a good crowd looking for ideas and solutions offline too, right? So what can I do to expand offline, you might be wondering? Well, you can start offline communities that meet occasionally, or create local events that helps to expand the interaction among your listeners and yourself. But not only that, you can expand to areas like entrepreneurship. For example, if you are expert on pairing wine with food, for example, you could do offline events, course, or even rent restaurants for a short period of time and offer signature menus for your listeners. In today's world, offline engagement generates a lasting stamp that stays with someone beyond those brief online interactions. What I want to say here is the more you have this balance of offline and online, and in the end, the truth is you never forget the people or brands who made a touchable difference in your life. And that is when comes offline as well, not only online. Remember this one? All right, the old Nokia, right? So as action, review your goals. And, that's one of the things that we talk already in the beginning of this podcast, right? Go there, review your goals in a way that you can pin down 5 ideas to expand offline. Can you create, for example, a workshop event around who you want to be? Can you create a local club around your area of expertise? Maybe you guys can meet once in a month. The point is you have to give some thought on expanding offline, because you cannot be doing only online expansion of your personal brand or your signature, right? So that's it for today. Catch up with you next Monday. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.